Hey everybody, it is Kathy here. Welcome back to the Maniac. I have another Sparkle & Co. unboxing for you today. We got our I Want It All bag. I'm super excited. The theme this month was Denim and Sunflowers, and these colors, I've seen the sneak peeks. So good. Oh, I almost cut my surprise. Honestly, I feel like I can't go wrong with these bags that she puts together. They are crazy. Oh, I got a little note. You know why? As I've mentioned the last couple months, it's my birthday this weekend. Yay. Aww. So a personal written birthday card from Christy, the owner of Sparkle & Co. So it's my birthday this month. Yay. So this is our bag for this month. We've got the sunflower on the little denim case. So cute. She gave us these little extra, they're stars, red, white, and blue stars. Because of course, next month is 4th of July. So we always get the holiday for the upcoming month. So like in September, we'll get Halloween colors like that. It's fantastic. It says what matters is on the inside. How cute is that? Yay. All right. We're trying a 2-camera setup today. Did you notice? All right. This is Dip 61 written in the stars. So this has those super cute little stars in it. And it's just a clear powder in there. So that is going to be so cute. Yes. Honestly, I never get tired of opening these. They are so much fun. And honestly, I can't get enough. If you can't see behind me in the corner here, I'll have to show you my dip collection is insane. So this is our special item for the month of June. It is a gel thinner. Yay. So when those gels start to get too thick, put a little gel thinner in there. So that's exciting. I don't have too many gels. I started out with dip powder. If you guys remember, right before, well, last year, I talked about it on the very first video, which I actually ended up posting only a month or two ago. It was the very first video that I shot for Maniac. And for some reason, once I switched over accounts and all this stuff with YouTube, and I never put it up. So I finally put it up like a month or two ago. And so it's funny because I talk about the whole story behind how I found dip powder and all that. This blue, wow. So this is our polish for the month, Young, Wild, and Free. And I mean, it is so pretty. Oh, she's so good. She's just so good. Honestly. And my adventures into dip powder have done nothing but spawn a complete obsession. This is really the only way to put it. There's no other way for me to describe. Oops, sorry. I also got a new glass top table. Our liquid for the month is number 2, Base Bond. So we'll add that to the collection. So nice that she adds one liquid every month to the bags because it just replenishes your supply. If you're using the dip liquids to apply your dip powder. You can also use gel liquids. I'll link up in the top corner for you to my video on using dip with gel liquids. It's really easy, and it's honestly just a matter of personal preference. I will say I feel like the dip liquids are a little bit harder. So if you really need that rock hard support, which I do because my nails are super thin, and they can be bendy and sometimes they peel. It's just yuck. But if you need that, then try and use the dip liquids because they are, in my opinion, just my opinion, they are a little bit stronger. It's like rock solid. If you don't need that, the gels are a fantastic option. Super easy to use. Again, I put that link to the my video on using the gels. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so excited. So this is the I want it all. I want it all. It is lovely. So these are for the gels. And I just love, once I've upgraded to the I want it all, I've found that I've started using gel a lot more in my manicures. I'm using it as a base behind color, and then I'll sprinkle dip over top. If I'm doing an ombre, I can do it that way. A lot of times I'll use a flat color of gel and then do an ombre of like a glitter dip or just plain raw glitter that I get from Sparkle & Co. So fantastic. It's also prompted me to get into actually becoming a nail tech. So I'm in school right now to be a actual full-fledged nail technician. So on top of my job as flight attendant, I'm going to be doing nails part-time because I love it. So just big shout out to Sparkle & Co. Christy really has intensified something that I've loved to do since I was a little girl. So, and her products are just so great. So here are the gels for this month, and you can see the little cute little bottles, and these colors are so pretty. There's this beautiful gold, we've got a blue, and Pocket Full of Sunshine is that really pretty yellow. Oh, they're just gorgeous. So Pocket Full of Sunshine, I don't know what I was trying to say there, Blue Jean Baby, and Freedom Gold. Awesome, really pretty. All right, so I'm gonna move these over here. Let's see those. Got our liquid and our gel thinner, and yes. So the cool thing, well, there's so many cool things about getting the I Want It All bag. Not only do I get a polish, 3 gels, and a ton of dips, it's like increasing everything I get. It's insane. So with the I Want It All, the first really cool thing Christy does is she picks her personal favorite dip powder for the month, and she gives it to us in a 1 ounce. So this is the mini size. This will do 5 to 7 manis. The 1 ounce will do 25. And it's just a fun way for her to share with us what she loves. So this month, she upsized the Shake Your Sparkler, which is a really beautiful silver. And I totally love it. Gorgeous. All right. And then this month we also have, oh my gosh, there's so much, like that's crazy. So dip 56 is Sunflower Soul, really pretty yellow. Comparing these, this one's a glittery yellow. This is a flat yellow with the gel. So the gel is a flat yellow. The dip is a really beautiful, it just has a real soft shimmer in it, really. Not even glitter because it's not super chunky. It's my little flakies there. All right, and then next up is Denim Fierce. This, I cannot wait to wear this color. It is so pretty. And Christy does a lot of the fierce, colors. We've got, navy fierce and chocolate fierce and coffee fierce and everything fierce. And it is totally awesome. All right, dip 59 is Baby You're a Firework. Little Katy Perry happening there. That's fun. We got dip 60, Peace, Love, and Sunflowers. And you guys, this is so pretty. You probably can't even really see how gorgeous. This glitter looks different depending on how you're looking at it. So I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but it's kind of like has a yellow and green from when you look at it from the side. So if you're looking at it kind of this way, and I don't know if you can even see it on camera, but it's so pretty. So hopefully you can kind of get an idea of what that looks like. I really am not sure how I'm going to decide, you guys, what I'm going to do on my fingers. This is awesome. All right, and then that really cute pink stars, or red, white, and blue stars that I showed you. That's written in the stars, dip 61. And then the other super cool thing that Christy's been doing lately is giving us an I Want It All dip. This is exclusive to the I Want It All bag. No one else can get it. You have to have an I Want It All subscription to be able to get these colors. And this is the 3rd month she's done it. And it is just beautiful. Really complimentary to all these really beautiful bright reds. And it's kind of a foil blue. And a lot darker, brighter than the Denim Fierce is. So that's the I Want It All. Now, what I've been waiting for the I Want It All every year, if you have an I Want It All subscription for your birthday month, you get Birthday Fierce. And this, you guys, I've been waiting for this forever. And I am so excited for Birthday Fierce. So I'm going to put that just, where can I put that? I'll put it over here, I guess. You can barely see it. It's getting crowded on the desk, huh? All right. Well, there we go. So you can kind of see move that just a little bit. There we go. That's a little better. Okay. All right. So that is the I Want It All subscription bag from Sparkle & Co. I know I've told you a million times how much I love this company, so I'll just skip straight to the referral program. They do a fantastic job. Customer service is great. The products are wonderful to work with, and their referral program is awesome. So if you sign up for a subscription bag, both you and I will get an $18 credit each to spend at sparkleandco.com if you put my name, Kathy DeSoto, in the notes at checkout. So you don't want to forget, because we'll each get a credit. That is enough to buy a 1 ounce 25 worth of manis, or you can split it up and use it for whatever you want. If you make a purchase from Sparkle & Co., your very first purchase, if you put my name, Kathy DeSoto, in the notes at checkout, you will get a $9 credit, as will I, for the referral. And you can also, again, use that towards anything in the Sparkle & Co. Website. You can't use it on your subscription bags because that is a monthly subscription, so it has to be processed separately from an order. So if you are thinking about getting this subscription bag, honestly, there are lots of different options. I'll put those all down in the notes, what's included and what the monthly price is currently. If you have any questions about using the Sparkle & Co., I've got tons and tons of videos using dip powder in lots of different ways. Like I mentioned earlier, you can use it with gel to apply it, or you can use it with the dip liquids. So if you are buying a subscription bag, we only get refills of our dip products. So if you need a set, you can go to Sparkle & Co. under starter kits. They have some great starter kits, starting with just the basics all the way up to like an ultimate kit. Comes with the color, comes with pretty much everything you'll need to do your dip manicures at home yourself. And if you need tutorials and how-tos, that's when you come here to the Mani Maniac. Thank you so much for joining me today. Once again, as always, if you like this video and you love dip powders and doing your nails and all that, give us a thumbs up. If you enjoyed the content today, make sure you subscribe and hit the gray bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming content. And we'll see you next time on the Mani Maniac.